Hello, brilliant minds of the software testing world.
Are you ready for an extraordinary experience that will unlock the magic of intuitive decision making in your testing journey?
Today, we want to extend a special invitation to each and every one of you to join us in our session where we will unravel the mysteries of intuitive decision making in software testing. It is going to be an enlightening experience as we explore the interplay between intuition and reasoning. We will equip you with invaluable insights that will elevate your testing game. But that's not all. We'll be sharing real-world examples that highlight the power and limitations of relying on intuition in software testing. This awareness will empower you to make better informed decisions, to uncover critical defects, and to identify potential improvements in the software you test.
This session is an excellent introduction to the psychology of decision making and judgment. Imagine being able to navigate the ever-changing terrain of software testing with confidence, making well-balanced choices that lead to success. So don't miss out on this chance to be inspired, challenged, and equipped with the knowledge that will transform the way you approach software testing. Mark your calendars, set reminders, and make sure you register for our session, Navigating the Testing Mind, Unraveling the Enigma of Intuition. Trust us, it's going to be an unforgettable experience. Join us, and together we will unlock the true potential of intuition and empower you to make a real difference in your testing journey.
Join us for an unforgettable journey as we uncover the secrets of intuitive decision making
And become better testers together.